Hi everyone, I'm Peggy, and today I just wanted to talk a little bit about how to use Google Maps to find events, both in your area and wherever you're traveling. So you probably know how to use Google Maps for navigation and for reviewing businesses, but I've been using maps to actually find what's happening around me. And to do that, you sign in to the Google Maps app, you tap the For You tab, and you can subscribe to specific areas on the map. You can also follow specific businesses if you want. And once you do that, you'll start to see upcoming events in those areas on the For You tab. If you don't want to actually follow specific locations or businesses, you can just zoom in the map on a specific area and tap Explore and then select Events. And again, it will show you events that are happening now or in the near future in the area that you've selected. And the third way you can do that is actually look at specific businesses who have events on their profiles. Now, as far as I know, Google gets this information from a lot of different sources, but businesses can also add this information, and that's probably something that you want to do if you have a business.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey, that was totally cool.